what up mga solid subscribers, no? So, syempre, ano bang gagawin natin syempre is hihingi tayo ng updates kay Miss O, no? So, wala tayong uploads kahapon, no? Medyo, medyo masama ang pakiramdam ng kahapon, guys, no? So, yan, nag-result tayo sa hindi tayo nakapag-upload, no? Pero, ano naman ako, goods ako. Pero, syempre, ayokong pilitin, no? Kasi, baka mag-suffer yung work ko, no? Kasi, sa mga hindi nakakalam, guys, no? Hindi naman ako full-time vlogger, guys. Hindi ako full-time vlogger. Pero, soon, I hope, guys, na very, very soon is maging full-time vlogger tayo, na natin yan. Claim natin yan. And ito, masama pakiramdam ko. And syempre, from 8 to 5 or minsan 6, nasa office ako, nagtatrabaho na. And then sa gabi ako nakapag-take ng mga videos, no. Yan, hindi ko pwedeng i-sacrifice muna yung health ko, no, na mag-take ako ng video. Kailangan ko ng pahinga talaga as in, no? So, ayan, tuloy-tuloy tayo ngayon. So, ito, marami tayong updates. So, a very big shoutout ulit kay Miss O, no? Very big shoutout sa iyo, Miss O, no? Ito po, papanoorin mga updates sa ating mahalima. And una ko nakita dito, guys, is Taylor Swift fans reaction to SB19 on semifinals of Billboard Fan Army Face-Off, no? Wow! Taylor Swift, guys. Hindi ko sinasabing Taylor Swift mismo, ha? Taylor Swift fans, guys, no? Just to be recognized po ng fandom ng nag-iisang Taylor Swift, no? Wow. It's an honor, syempre, di ba? Alam niyo yan. Okay? Panoorin na to.
Taylor Swift fans' reaction to SB19 on semifinals of Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2024. Now, SB19 is on semifinals of Billboard Fan Army Face-Off 2024 against the one and only Taylor Swift. And here are some comments from Swifties. One Swiftie posted, "We made it to the semifinals. In the semifinals, we will be up against a Filipino supergroup with a super active fan base when it comes to voting. They're the winner of BBFA 2023. We might not win, but let's vote still for Taylor." Okay,
nakikita nyo rito, guys. Nakikita nyo po yung respeto po ng fan base or fan base ni Taylor Swift, guys, no? Alam nila, tingnan nyo, makikita nyo rito, no? They're the winner of BBFA 2023, guys, no? Billboard Fan Army 2023, no? So, aware sila, guys, kung ano yung mga bagay na capable tayo, no? Aware po sila, no? Kaya nagiging ano sila, no? Pero, eto, makikita nyo rito, we will be up against a Filipino supergroup. Guys, dito pa lang panalo na tayo. Ito nyo to, Filipino. O, kita nyo na? Ito yung nahahatid po ng ating mahalima sa atin, no? Ito po yung nahahatid nila sa atin, no? Like, nire-represent nila yung Pilipinas, no? So, ano tayo? Syempre, Pinoy tayo, no? So, kabilang tayo dito, guys, so, up against a Filipino. Nakikita nyo na yan, no? So, syempre, imposibleng hindi po ito makarating kay Taylor Swift, no? Ayan, syempre magiging proud siya, no? And alam nyo na, baka, alam ko magka-concert siya rito para 2026 ba, 2027, no? Ewan ko lang kung totoo yun, yung parang meron daw ginubuo na stadium para kay Taylor Swift, no? Ewan ko totoo yun. Ayan, Filipino supergroup with a super active fan base, no? When it comes to voting, okay, no? When it comes to voting, no? Okay, a very active fan base. Guys, hindi lang po sa voting active ang 18, ha. Sa lahat po ng aspeto, active po talagang 18, no. Ayan, yan. They're the winner of BBFA 2023, no. So, ito ulitin ko sa inyo, no. Makikita mo rito, guys, yung fan base nila, yung fandom nila talaga is nag-research po talaga, guys, no. Pinagtuunan nila ng pansin ng 18, pinagtuunan nila ng pansin ng SB19, no, na kailangan natin maging aware dito kasi threat sila talaga sa atin, no. So, baka dito tayo hindi natin alam. So, ito, we might not win but let's vote still for Taylor, no. So, aware sila, guys. Aware sila, no, na may chance na hindi nila makuha or makalusot sa semifinals, no. Alam nila yon, alam nila na may chance, no. Pero hindi tayo pwede makampante, guys, no. Sinasabi nila we might not win pero hindi tayo pwede makampante. Alam niyo na kung bakit, guys, no. Kasi once na makampante po tayo, guys, no. Sinabi ko na po sa isang vlog ko, no. Once na makampante po tayo, guys, hindi natin alam, baka biglang umatake yan, no. Baka hinahayaan lang nila na, ma-caught off guard lang po tayo, no? Ibaba natin yung depensa natin, no? Like, magiging kampante tayo. Hayaan mo na, parang sumusuko naman na sila, eh. Parang yung nasa isip, wag dapat ganyan yung mindset, guys, no? Kahit ano mangyari, dapat tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, no? Laban pa rin tayo, kasi hanggat di patapos yung laban, no? Maraming pwede mangyari.
No, stop voting Taylor on that Billboard poll now, cause no matter how hard we try, we're gonna lose anyways against SB19, because they are so passionate about it. SB19 got 200 million plus votes last round versus Taylor, who only got 1 million plus against Billie. Let's just focus on VMA's voting, please.
Okay, no? So, ito. Stop voting Taylor on the Billboard poll na cause no matter how hard we try, we're gonna lose anyways against SB19 because they are so passionate about it. SB19 got 200 million plus votes last round versus Taylor, who only got 1 million plus against Billie, no? Yan. Let's focus just focus on BMA's voting. Yan. Guys, dito pa lang, no? 200, no? Parang naging sila caught off guard na sila, no? Mahirap po eh. Numbers yan, guys, numbers lang yan, guys, no? Hindi natin alam kung anong pwede mangyari, no? Kasi wag naman sana magkaroon ng kung ano man, no? Like dayaan or what, pero I'm very sure naman, guys, walang mangyayaring ganito, no? Since Billboard is a very well known po yan talaga, guys. Very well known po yan, no? Kaya I'm very sure, guys, walang mangyayaring dayaan, no? Kaya eto, yung mga ganitong klaseng statement, guys, wag tayo mga kampante, ha? Please lang, ayun ang hiling ko. Wag tayo mga kampante. Yun lang.
The 200 million votes are total votes from the beginning of BBFA, not in 9 hours.
The 200 votes are total votes from the beginning of BBFA, not in 9 hours. Okay?
I believe there were 42 million votes behind Dua Lipa and managed to catch up in 12 hours. They are organized crazy.
They are organized crazy, no? So, guys, sadaan nyo, yung ganyang, eto, compliment yan, guys, compliment. Baka sabihin nyo, sino to nagkasabing crazy kami? Huwag nyo kayo maano dyan, no? Compliment yan, guys, no? Parang, term niya lang yan, no? Alam nyo yung term na ang mamaw, no? Alam nyo yung term na ang mamaw, no? Pwedeng ganun, no? Parang sinasabi niya na, napakagrabe naman nito mga to, napaka-overpower, no? Parang, yung term na ginamit nila, which is yung crazy, no? Diba? Ganun tayo, like, kunyari, meron tayong, kunyari sa basketball ako, nag-guide ko to pag halimbawa sa basketball or sa pagsasayaw, no? Kunyari, may isang basketball player biglang tumalon, sobrang taas, tapos tinalon na yung isang tao, dinakdakan, no? Sasabihin, syempre, yung reaction ng iba, oh, that's crazy! Parang gano'n, no? Parang, that's amazing, parang gano'n, at the same time, gano'n. So, para sa akin, yung crazy na term nila is, at the same time, is amazing, no? They are organized or amazing, they are organized amazingly or amazing, no? Parang gano'n, no? Yung ginamit, no?
We are fighting SB19 on the next round. We are fucked up. They have strong, actively fan base just like BTS.
Okay, so tulad din nung kanina, no? Parang nagiging sila, hindi kasi sabing inaangat nila yung flag, pero parang ganyan nangyayari, no?
They're super popular outside of the US and maybe a little here too. Not sure. They won last year.
Okay, and maybe a little here too. Not sure, no? Okay. SB19, hindi pa siya ganun kaano sa ibang bansa, no? Actually, guys, kailan na po ang SB19 sa ibang bansa, no? Hindi man siya yung totally na sabihin sa out of 100% ng tao sa ibang bansa, kailan talagang SB19, no? Pero malaki na po yung following ng SB19 sa ibang bansa talaga, no?
This is the big advantage of winning international polls because now other fandoms get curious about SB19.
Diba? Tama yan, no? Isa rin yan, no? Making aware po yung ibang fandoms. Kung ano ba yung SB19 na yan? Ba't laging nanalo, no? Parang ganun mangyari yan.
Nakaka-flutter makabasa ng ganitong comments, pero kung may mabasa tayong nega from whatever fandom, please ignore, don't react, and don't comment. Huwag pansinin para di na lumaki ang engagement nila at di na mabasa pa ng iba. Let's focus on our goal na panalunin ang SB19 sa Billboard Fan Army Face Off 2024 para mas lalo silang ma-curious sa ating mahalima.
Tama. So, tama sinabi ni Miss Odon, guys, no? Hayaan na natin na yung image natin is, ito, ganito, no? Organized crazy, no? yung parang napaka-organized, kinakatakutan. Wag naman to the point nakakatakutan tayo ng ibang mga fandom or ibang mga tao dahil po sa may mga pasaway tayong attitude, no? Wag naman dumating sa point na gano'n. Mas okay na yung kinakatakutan nila tayo dahil nire-respeto nila tayo, no? Diba? Magkaiba yung kinakatakutan tayo dahil ayaw natin sila makasama, kinakatakutan tayo dahil meron tayong bad attitude. Mas okay, guys, na kinakatakutan nila tayo dahil nire-respeto nila tayo, no? And ayun yung maganda, no? So, sana tumatak sa utak natin na, yun, sinabi ni Miss O na mag-focus na lang tayo sa kung anong gagawin natin, no? Wag nating hayaan na malihis yung ating focus, no, sa ibang bagay, no? So, ayun lang. Vote tayo, guys, ha? Malapit na to, no? Taylor Swift, guys, alam niyo naman, isa yan sa mga super duper popular po talaga sa buong bunso. Buong bansa, guys, no. Pinaghalo kasi yung buong bansa at saka yung buong mundo, no. So buong bunso talaga sabi ko, no. So ayan, sobrang kilala po talaga si Taylor Swift sa buong mundo talaga, guys, no. Alam niyo yan. Kaya hindi natin alam kung ano pwede mangyari, guys, no. Kaya laban tayo, no. So yun lang, maraming salamat. So this is Point Defense signing out. Peace, that's it.